In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change homepage on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make any existing page the first thing visitors see when they land on your site. This is a simple update, but it can make a big difference for your user experience, your branding, and how people navigate your content. First, open the Pages panel. In the Wix editor, you'll find it on the left side of the screen. It's where all your site's pages are listed in one place, often labeled Pages or Site Pages. This panel is your central hub for organizing what appears in your site's navigation and how your pages are structured behind the scenes. Next, hover over the page you want to turn into your homepage. Make sure the page you choose is the one you want visitors to see first, like a new landing page, a refreshed design, or a seasonal promo. If you have many pages, you can use the search bar in the panel or expand any folders to find it quickly. As you move your mouse over the page name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots appear to the right. Click on that 3 dots icon. This opens a quick menu of actions for that page. It's sometimes called the More Actions menu, and it lets you do things like rename the page, duplicate it, or adjust settings. For changing the home page, we only need one specific option here. Select Set as Homepage. The moment you click it, Wix will set that page as your site's primary landing page. You'll usually see a small home icon appear next to its name in the Pages panel, which confirms the change. Your menus may update automatically if they're connected to your site's page structure, and from now on, your domain will load this page first. If you had a previous homepage, it remains in your site. It just won't be the default entry point anymore. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the new homepage isn't restricted or hidden from your site's menu if you want it to be easily discoverable. Also, double-check any buttons or links on that page so visitors can get to the rest of your content without friction. If you use custom menus, verify they reflect your update. And that's all there is to it. Open the Pages panel, hover the page you want, click the 3 dots, and choose Set as Homepage. A few clicks, and your site's front door is updated. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the refreshed first impression on your Wix site.